Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute gnome for all your Valentine's Day decorating. For the materials, you'll need white felt, a styrofoam cone, faux fur, flannel fabric, a faux fur pom-pom, sculpty clay, and a hot glue gun. First, roll a piece of the clay into a ball. Bake it according to the instructions on the package. Then wrap and glue felt on the cone. This doesn't have to be perfect. After that, cut a hat out of the fabric. Glue the edges together. Let it dry and flip it right side out. Then take the faux fur and cut out the beard. Be really careful to separate the hair from the base or else you'll end up cutting off the shaggy hair. Then glue it to the front of the cone. After that, glue the faux fur pom-pom to the tip of the hat. Then pull the hat over the top of the cone. Once the ball that you were baking is done and cooled, glue it to the front of the cone on top of the faux fur. And that's it! This little gnome is so cute and easy and will bring so much cheer to any room. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.